So let me start with the structure first. Ang among office is Office of Student Affairs. We have our director, that is Father Emmanuel Buboy Sarabia, SVD of course. Siya among office department director. And the next in line is Mrs. Mary Ann Lumakang. She's our department head. And we are directly supervised by her. And at the same time, we also have 3 offices under her. That's my office, the Student Discipline Office. Second is the Office on Gender Sensitivity among the concerns of the women. And then the third is on the student organization. So mao ni atong tulo ka opisina under which. And I would like to describe specifically sa akong office as Office of Student Discipline. Okay, here in my office, if there is an estudyante nga nagpabadlong or gidudahan nga naay milagrong gibuhat inside or outside the university, then any authority in that school may file a complaint.
So, not only inside the university, including outside?
Yes, sir. If they are identified, especially if they're wearing the school uniform, okay, an ID, so dutlan yun na sila ana. We and then we do investigation. We practice, of course, due process, and then if possible, if there are witnesses, if there are kanang evidences, we gather them. And then, of course, our college students, we treat them as mature students na. So most often, we end the investigation or the case with the student as a mature individual. But if it's worst comes to worst, if it's needed that we call on the parents just to inform them, kaya just like what our student here said, lipat-lipaton sa yung parents sa una.
Peer pressure, sir. Hindi mo rin masabi kasi you know the term they called na nakalitan from province then go to a big city nakalitan. So peer
culture
pressure.
shock,
Yes, sir,
culture shock and peer pressure. That those could be some of the factors. But then considering these things, after conducting the due process, of course, human as we are, as a Catholic institution, we try to consider some things, but we make sure that the corresponding sanction has been implemented or followed, sanction to the students. Ang ato lang ani karon is with the new setup in as we prepared ourselves for the new challenges, we are coming up with a new approach regarding discipline among students. We call it positive discipline, and trying to help out the students learn from their mistakes and then realize their mistakes and of course suffer the consequence. But the most important thing is that it has been explained to them, they understood nganong we have to do this thing, we have to give you this sanction, and then of course with the end there is still to help the student stand up again.
Yes.
Okay, that's the most important
in fact,
thing.
I think I had students before with some problems personal ba, and they had to be advised to go to
Another school.
yes, because it's either the problem was they were forced to enroll here na passion nila wala dili ba. So that's the reason why they didn't do good. That's why ang atong OSA I think you should go where your heart would like it to go.
Mo tong gisulti bitaw sa atong guidance nga counselor nga guest na to dire, no? Nga dili ko pugso ng estudyante kung unsay gusto sa ilang parents, no? Kay lahi-lahi biyag interest. Lahi-lahi ang linya.
Yeah. In fact, yesterday I interviewed 3 applicants
for OM.
No, for BA.
BA.
And one was from Zamboanga. No? I asked her, why did you decide to study here in Cebu? Kaya tungod to it is one of her wishes or dreams na
maka-studio din.
Not actually San Carlos, but to
out from the house.
From the house. But I told her,
exposed.
are you sure you're ready? I always ask them, we don't want to just to accept anybody without asking whether you are emotionally ready.
Okay, it's a big city.
It's a big city. And it's a very tiny girl.
Yeah. Babae pa dyan.
Babae pa dyan.
In connection with that, sir, I can relate with Sir Tito Carlos. because this is my fourth course that I saw myself
Wow,
on.
fourth course,
yes,
huh?
sir.
Grabe.
First was the Pulsai, and then change to another school, mo lagi bugoy-bugoy. Then nag-finance pa ko sa other school, then went back here as economics, then failed at economics, and you know, I let myself shine on marketing because I saw myself something in marketing. That's why.
So kanday wa pa day kakaagi sa una og kanang gitawag og inkay. Naaman na inkay.
Yeah, sir.
So unsa may result ato?
Actually, sir, that time during NKAI, wala ko take tungod sa nagka-health issue problem ko.
So wa ka take ito.
So wala ko like vision on what to take on those subjects. So after the four courses, every sem nga change, then saw myself in marketing, became, you know.
Pero in those 4 years, were you with your family or were you alone?
Actually, sir, the first 2 years was I'm alone. That's why nawa.
Nobody
Giving up.
Then went back here. Niapa sila mama and papa, and then literally na nag-migrate na jud. So since you're businessman, you know how to cope up with this big city life. So sa awa ng Diyos, nakaraos rin. Then ngayon, May 24 po.
Graduate agad.
Yes.
Wa ba nimo makit-isa imong kagalingon ang imong interest ba? Kay, di ba? For example, ako graduate ko high school. Imo ko na kung sa akong interest. For example, interesado ko mag-artista. Example lang na. Dili gina tinuod.
Ayan, sir.
Di, daghang klase artista. Artist, drawing, painting, dancing, singing. Di ba? Oh,